Would you live here? We're looking at the interior of capsule A1305 from the Nakagin Capsule Tower in Tokyo. Designed by architect Kisho Kurokawa and completed in 1972, the building was an experiment in miniaturizing urban life. A bold mix of hotel, condominium and business center, the tower consisted of 140 near-identical capsules, each designed so that busy professionals could stay overnight near their offices rather than commuting back to the suburbs. Each capsule had enough space for 1 or 2 people, but came fully equipped for short-term living. To make the most of every inch, all furniture was built into the periphery of the space. That idea came from Kurokawa's collaborator Nobuo Abe, a lifelong sailor who was inspired by the compact, efficient interiors of boat cabins. The most iconic feature was a circular window fitted with a fanning shade. Abe designed a built-in bed with storage drawers underneath, plywood cabinets to keep objects neatly tucked away, a fold-down desk modeled on a nautical chart table, a closet, and dedicated compartments for a fridge and a hidden sink. Every capsule came standard with a cutting-edge sonic color television and could be customized with high-tech extras like a reel-to-reel tape player, a radio receiver, or even a telephone headset, as we see in this example. The bathroom was made from 2 molded pieces of fiber-reinforced plastic and fitted a circular sink, a small tub, and even a built-in cast-iron ashtray next to the toilet. Reminiscent of a ship's porthole, the circular window framed dramatic views of the city, expressways glowing at night, Tokyo Bay, and on clear days, even Mount Fuji at a distance. Despite their minimal footprint, the capsules offered something rare, a quiet, private cocoon in the sky. A place to pause, to retreat, and to recharge, floating just above the hum of Tokyo.